Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we are going to solve the second subdivision in question 2 in exercise 1.1. So let us look at the question. Find the LCM and HCF of the following pair of numbers and verify that LCM into HCF is equal to the product of the two numbers. The numbers they have given in these cases are 510 and 92. Let's calculate the HCF first. 510 and 92. So let's start with 510 first. Even number, so I'm starting with 2 on division. It gives 255. So dividing again by fetch it. 5 fetches 5, 1, 51. Divide by 3, that gives us 17. 17 is a prime number, so divide by 17 again to get 1. So 510 is written as 2 into 5 into 3 into 17. Now let's do the prime factorization for 92. So 92 can be written as, it is 2, so even number. So I'm dividing by 2, I get 46. Again an even number, divide by 2. So you get 23, which is a prime number. So divide by 23. So the answer is 1. Now you see the common factors between 510 and 92. There is only 1, 2 which is common to both, which means the HCF of these two numbers is 2. Now let us calculate the LCM for these two numbers. So 510, 92. I'm going to start dividing by prime factorizations. So just start with 2. So this gives 255, 46. Now if I continue with 5, this gives a 51, 46. Divide by 3, you get to have 17, 46. Divide by 17, you get 1, 46. Now to handle the 46, I'm going to divide by 2. So I get to have 23. Divide again by 23 so that I get 1, 1. Now to calculate the LCM. So what is the LCM? LCM is nothing but 2 into 5 into 3 into 17 into 2 into 23. I can pair it like this. So 2 into 5 is 10. 17 into 3 is 51. Into 23 into 2 is 46. So LCM is nothing but 10 into 51 into 46, which is computed to be 23460. Now I need to find out the product of HCF and LCM. So I need to multiply 2 into 23460, which fetches me a 46920. So this is the product of HCF and LCM. Now let us compute the product of the two numbers. So I have to multiply 510 with 92. So I'm going to multiply 51 with 92 and then I can append a 0 at the end. So 51 into 92. So this is 2 ones are 2, 5 twos are 10. Now 9 ones are 9, 9 fives are 45. So now add on 2, 9, 6, 4. And remember it is 510. So I'm going to add a 0 here. So it is 46920, which is already what we have got as a product of HCF and the LCM. Therefore, we are able to successfully verify the relation HCF into LCM is equal to the product of the two numbers, in this case 510 and 92. In the next video, we will solve the third subdivision in this question. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.